Unbelievable ways avocado can transform your health. We're always told to eat healthier, to pick foods that will nourish our bodies and protect us from disease. But what if one creamy, delicious fruit could seriously lower your risk for the number one killer on the planet? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, but the science is backing this up in a big way. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through some new, large-scale studies that have followed people for decades. They show how adding just one avocado to your diet a couple of times a week can protect and strengthen your heart. We're talking about lowering your risk of coronary heart disease by a whopping 21%, and that's just the beginning. The benefits of this incredible fruit stretch way beyond your heart, helping out everything from your brain function and gut health to the glow of your skin. So stick with me here on healthcare as we break down the 5 incredible ways an avocado can boost your health, all backed by solid science. The heart guardian slashing your number one risk. Let's start with the big one, your heart. Cardiovascular disease is still the leading cause of death worldwide, and it's often driven by things like high cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation. It can feel like a massive, complicated problem. But this is where the avocado comes in as a simple, powerful part of the solution. Recent landmark studies, including one that followed over 100,000 people for 30 years, came to a pretty stunning conclusion. Eating just 2 servings of avocado a week, which is about 1 whole avocado, is linked to a 21% lower risk of coronary heart disease and a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease in general. So, how does it pull this off? The secret is in its nutritional makeup. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, especially a healthy one called oleic acid. This is the same heart-friendly fat found in olive oil. This type of fat is a hero for your cholesterol, as it helps lower the bad LDL cholesterol that can clog arteries. Clinical trials have confirmed that eating avocados regularly can significantly drop that LDL cholesterol. But it's not just about what you add. It's also about what you replace. The research shows that swapping out just half a serving of less healthy fats, think butter, cheese, or processed meats for the same amount of avocado can lower your risk of a cardiovascular event by 16%, and specifically for coronary heart disease, by up to 22%. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making a simple, smart swap. On top of that, avocados are a great source of potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are key for controlling blood pressure. Most of us don't get enough potassium, which helps balance out the effects of sodium in our diet. By helping you manage your blood pressure, avocados give you another layer of defense against heart attacks and strokes. It's a multi-talented guardian for your heart. The brain booster fueling your focus and memory. In the world we live in, who doesn't struggle with a bit of brain fog, a short attention span, or worries about cognitive decline? We demand so much from our brains, but we don't always give them the right fuel to perform at their best. Think of an avocado as high-octane fuel for your brain. One of the standout compounds in avocados is a carotenoid called lutein. Lutein is a potent antioxidant that has the special ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and build up in your brain tissue. More and more research shows a clear link between higher lutein levels in the brain and better cognitive function, like sharper memory, faster thinking, and improved attention. One trial with older adults found that eating 1 avocado a day for 6 months led to significant boosts in their working memory and problem-solving abilities. And of course, those same healthy fats that protect your heart are just as crucial for your brain. Your brain is almost 60% fat. So these monounsaturated fats are the building blocks for healthy brain cells and nerves. They help ensure all those signals that control your thoughts and memories are firing on all cylinders. Avocados also deliver nutrients like folate and vitamin E, which help protect the brain from the stress and inflammation that contribute to brain aging. Section 3. The gut health hero, your second brain's best friend. You might have heard the gut called our second brain, and it's for a good reason. The health of your gut microbiome, all those trillions of bacteria in your digestive system, has a huge impact on everything from digestion and immunity to your mood. The problem is, our modern diets often starve the good gut bacteria we need to thrive. This is where the avocado really steps up for your gut. A single medium avocado packs about 10 grams of fiber, which is a huge chunk of your daily needs. This is a mix of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The insoluble kind helps keep you regular and your digestive tract running smoothly. But the soluble fiber is where the real magic for your microbiome happens. It acts as a prebiotic, which is basically food for your good gut bacteria. A 2021 study discovered that people who ate an avocado every day for 12 weeks developed a healthier and more diverse community of gut microbes. Specifically, they had more bacteria that produce something called short-chain fatty acids. These compounds are amazing for your colon cells, helping to reduce gut inflammation and strengthen the gut lining, which keeps harmful stuff from getting into your bloodstream. When you feed your microbiome, you're not just helping your digestion, you're supporting the internal ecosystem that is the foundation of your overall health. The weight management wonder: feeling full and staying lean. The struggle to maintain a healthy weight is something so many of us face. We've been told for years to fear fat, which has led to diets that leave us feeling hungry and unsatisfied. The avocado completely flips that idea on its head. It's a high-fat food that can actually help you manage your weight. The key is satiety, that feeling of being full and satisfied after you eat. The combination of healthy fats and high fiber in avocados is incredibly good at making you feel full. The fiber slows down digestion, and the fats trigger hormones that tell your brain you've had enough. One clinical trial showed that adding a whole avocado to breakfast kept people feeling less hungry and more satisfied for up to 6 hours compared to a breakfast without it. This means you're far less likely to grab an unhealthy snack later, which helps you naturally lower your calorie intake without feeling like you're on a restrictive diet. And while a healthy diet is about more than just the number on the scale, some research points to other benefits. For instance, one fascinating 12-week study found that women who ate an avocado every day saw a reduction in visceral belly fat, that's the dangerous fat that wraps around your organs and seriously increases your risk for chronic disease. The beauty enhancer: glowing skin and sharp vision from within. We spend a fortune on creams and serums to keep our skin looking young and our eyes sharp. But true lasting health and beauty are built from the inside out. Avocados are a goldmine of the exact nutrients your skin and eyes need to thrive. For your skin, avocados give you a solid dose of antioxidants like vitamins C and E. These vitamins are critical for protecting your skin from the sun and pollution that cause premature aging. Vitamin C is also needed to produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. And the healthy fats? They help keep your skin cells plump and moisturized from the inside, which can prevent dryness and soothe irritated skin. For your eyes, the hero nutrient is lutein again, along with its partner zeaxanthin. These two are special because they are found in high concentrations in your retina, where they act like internal sunglasses. They filter out harmful blue light from all the screens we stare at and from the sun. This is vital for lowering the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the main causes of vision loss as we age. And because the fats in avocados help your body absorb these nutrients, eating them is the best way to get the full benefit. So, how can you get more of this amazing fruit into your diet? It's really simple. Spread it on whole grain toast instead of butter. Toss some slices into a salad or sandwich. Blend it into a smoothie for a creamy, dairy-free texture. Or, of course, make some classic guacamole. A quick tip: a ripe avocado will give a little when you press on it gently. If it's rock hard, just leave it on the counter for a day or two. If it feels mushy, it's probably too late. If you found this breakdown of the science behind avocados helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to Healthcare and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video on evidence-based health. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is your absolute favorite way to eat an avocado? The avocado is clearly more than just a trendy food. It's a nutritional powerhouse. From protecting your heart and boosting your brain to feeding your gut, helping you manage your weight, and even enhancing your skin and eye health, its benefits are truly impressive. Remember, making small, consistent changes is the real secret to long-term health. Adding a versatile and delicious superfood like the avocado to your plate is one of the easiest and most powerful choices you can make. Start today, and you're not just eating a meal, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant you.